taken out a roof in the bow, grind it down, took the beam out, grounded out everything. Now I'm going to put the beam back in that I just cut out and dovetail pieces that go across from left to right. Here's my new beam that I cut out. I'm going to put right up here that I took out. I'm going to put it right here. So I'll have a beam here, cross beam this way, and a cross beam this way. Okay? How's that look? There we go. How's that look?
That looks good.
Too much?
No, that looks good.
Alright. It's one side.
What are you doing?
I'm putting these beams across.
Okay.
Now I'll do the other side. Turn my button around here. We're doing a dry fit.
Yeah.
Do a dry fit here.
Why do we have slats in the board?
So it bows.
Suppose.
You're gonna ask questions
Yeah, I'll ask the question.
you already know the answers to?
Yeah. See if it was straight. You hit your head on there. Was it getting all of it?
Yeah, it looks good. So far, so good. There we go. Alright, next one. Oh, I'm out of wood.
You're out of wood?
Yep, I need another piece of brace. No, I don't. Yeah, I use this one. Okay. Well, everything fits good. Everything looks good. Alright, give me the camera. All the way up. Of course, that's holding up.
Next step. Next step. What's your next step? Epoxy.
Epoxy them up there.
We decided to do some squaring up.
Yep, just square it up.
Marking our lines.
Yep. Pretty good right there. sure we got all this on here too. Okay. Now, what do we got to do now? I'm gonna get this up there.
We're gonna do the middle first.
Yep. So we'll take it all down. Epoxy this thing up. Should we epoxy this thing all the way up
Yeah.
and then
The middle
epoxy
one.
it later when it's up here? Just get the one side?
We're gonna do the middle first.
Yeah, this one. The middle. All right. Well, we'll
Epoxy
take
that, and then
these down.
do the rest.
Well, I got the beams in. And then we'll epoxy it in. What I'll do is fill those cracks, fill those holes in, everything screwed in. It's gonna look good. In case y'all are wondering what that wood is, it's cherry. So once I get it all sanded up, filled in, it'll look nice and cherry. That's the end of this day. End of this video. Please like. Bye.